So welcome to the very first NC1 modification video. If you missed that video, go check out the last one. Picked up this 2006 NC1 GT in Nordic green paint, and it is so fresh. I just cleaned it a little bit ago actually, and it's already covered in pollen, so we'll see how long I survive out here, but I'll test the tail lights. We can do better. So I want to quickly say huge shout out to Archaic Lighting because they sent us over a set of their super awesome clear LED tail lights for the NC Miata. Now, these were originally going to go on the NC2 for a video. As you'll know, I have the NA style or NA modified, grafted in, whatever, tail lights. Love these, but I was curious what a set would look like of these. And I realized how long this was taking, and I felt bad because obviously this is a sponsored video, and as a sponsored channel, I felt the obligation to make sure I get their parts on the car because I wanted to, and I was excited about it. But yeah, this whole thing has taken a lot longer than it should have. Now that we have another NC, I think this is the move. Now, yes, the rear bumper and the light shape on the NC1 is different from the NC2. The reason why these ones fit so well is because I have an NC1 bumper, and if you guys have watched the videos, the NA taillight lenses are grafted into a set of NC1 taillights. So there will be a little bit of gappage on the lights and the bumper, but not enough to notice. These lights are gonna be sick. They do fit NC1 and NC2, just like I said. The fitment is gonna be a little bit different compared to what you put it on. But I think with a fresh set of tail lights, make these look a little less goofy. And while we are going for a classic British Roadster kind of vibe on this car, I think the clear lights with the clear lenses are going to lend well to the overall design of the car, freshen it up a little bit. And one of the things that I've started to toy with is I already threw on a set of the rear reflectors in the clear, as well as front reflectors or turn signals in the clear as well. And I think it really looks good with this paint. Gosh, it looks, if you haven't ever seen Nordic green mica, it is such a sick color. But I know these are gonna look good, or else I wouldn't take the time to do it. So thank you again, Archaic, for reaching out and sending me a set of these. They were very helpful in getting these over to me in a timely manner. As always, I wanna say go support the sponsors of this channel because without them, I wouldn't be able to do any of these installs and add parts to these cars to make them look as cool as they do. So huge thank you to Archaic. Go down below, the link is in the description to check out the lights for your car. And honestly, for what you get, the price is unbeatable. Everyone is always asking about aftermarket headlights and taillights for these cars, and this is really one of your only options, especially if you're not wanting to spend like thousands of dollars on car shop glow lights or something like that. These ones will fit the bill. Jordan has them on his car. He's installed them on other cars as well, and I'm excited to join the Archaic taillight gang. All right, so going over the differences on these really quick. So overall, same mounting points, basically the same shape. However, the NC2.3 sticks out a little bit, and the NC1 is much more smooth. It's all one piece. This one kind of has some angles that go out and then across, but super clear. So almost kind of the same design, but like I said, more modern than this. Less chrome, less fake looking red. It doesn't look like a stoplight anymore. And these are gonna look really cool when lit up. So easy enough to take them out. Unplugging your harnesses, 1, 2, 3 10mm nuts, and then your tail light slides right out. it's really bright out, but you guys can definitely tell the difference here. It looks really, really, really good. I am more happy than I was to have these taillights on. Just so much more modern, and it matches the vibe of the car really, really well. It doesn't add any color. It's just clear lights, clear lenses. And once these are lit up, it's gonna look so good. And like I said, on the gaps, so you can tell right here, there is a small gap, maybe 1/4 of an inch, so that it doesn't really shape the bumper as well. And then right here, there's a gap right about here, but standing from right here, you can't even tell. And with the clear lenses, it almost just kind of blends in a little bit better. And then along the top, it looks pretty good. No worries there. I'm a lot happier with the fitment on the NC2 to the NC1 than I thought I would be. If you're not OCD, you won't even notice, but that's really the main gap right there. And honestly, you can't even tell unless I showed you. I'm gonna get the other one thrown in really quick and get these wired up. Okay, lights are all wired in. They include this harness, so you can have a reverse light on both bulbs, or you can mess around with it and have a fog light. US cars don't need a fog light, so I'm not gonna worry about it, but everything seamlessly plugs in and even includes the resistors for the turn signals that I put in on both sides. But really, this is plug and play. So I'm gonna set you guys on the tripod real quick and just show you the startup process and all that. This isn't like the final clip or anything like that, because obviously we gotta do this at night too, but let's make sure everything works. All right, so the lights worked great. I just went back and looked at the footage. Everything is working as it should. I am stoked on these. These look absolutely better than the Altezza style tail lights. I mean, just look at that. It is really nice looking. Makes the car look more modern, better lighting, does a cool little dance when you start the car on. So people will see it and it's definitely eye-catching, that's for sure. And I know after driving behind Jordan at Miatas at the Gap, these things are very bright. In a Miata, I always say, drive it like a motorcycle, because you want people to hear you, see you, and it's a small car. So the more lighting, the better. This is definitely gonna get people's attention who are behind you. I'm really happy with it. But I'm gonna throw the trunk all back together, and then the clip after this one, we're gonna take it for the true test at night. So here they are, the archaic tail lights on the NC1. And again, these are NC2, but they fit the NC1 with some gaps, obviously. And I'm so excited at how these look. It's exactly what I envisioned them looking like. The light rings around are so crisp. It's probably a little hard to tell in the camera since there's like a diffusion through the lens and all that stuff. Plus, it's not totally dark out yet, but in person, these look so much better, and they look great in video and photos as well, but in person, these look so good. It definitely keeps the Roadster look, Miata look, with the taillight design and everything, but almost like a resto mod kind of style to it. It's definitely an aftermarket piece, but look at how crisp that looks. It looks so good. And this is just lights on, no brake lights or anything. With the brake lights on, it's even brighter, and the reverse lights look great. I'll turn on the hazards for you guys just so you can kind of see what those look like at night. Very bright, very crisp. I'm super stoked with that. Oh, it almost hurts your eyes to look at. So again, huge shout out to Archaic for sending these lights my way. I know I was supposed to get them mounted on the NC2, but the NC1 is sick too, and it's even better looking now with the Archaic tail lights. And again, they are down in the description below. Go click their link, check them out, pick up a set of lights for yourself, because the sponsors who support this channel make this all possible. And you guys, because watching the videos, giving the thumbs up and things like that helps me out too. So thank you so much for watching. If you are new to the channel, go down below, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on more NC1 videos coming up. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below. I will see you in the next one.